Hello guys, today we are gonna talk about cryogenic engines. See, these big bad boy engines. So yeah, you see this thing right here? This tank, this is liquid hydrogen. Yeah, you get the point. Liquid hydrogen. And this other tank right here, this is the liquid oxygen. And you see these tiny little pipes right here? You see these pipes? So this carries LH2, as you can see right here. And this carries liquid oxygen. This green stuff is liquid hydrogen, and this blue stuff is liquid oxygen. And now, these red thingies here, you see? Those are the turbo pumps. What these actually do is, you see these pipes are taking the hydrogen and oxygen and transferring them into these, right? What happens after they are transferred into these is they pump the liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen into the combustion chamber. And this cap thingy right here, that's the liquid oxygen door. The liquid oxygen goes in there. So what these do is they pump it with extra force, and there's a type of sprinkler right there, right at that line, and there's a spark plug. And what happens here is, you see this LH2, it comes from outside the nozzle. This thing is the nozzle. You see this big dome shaped thing? That's the nozzle. There are tiny pipes outside of the nozzle that bring this. So when they bring it, once the ignition starts and it starts producing thrust with fire, then you see this LH2 becomes warmer and reaches the igniter. Now when a fuel is warmer, it is easier to ignite, because if it doesn't actually ignite, there is no thrust, and the rocket will plummet down and explode, obviously. So many of you wondered, why is this attached lower than the LOX? So that's the reason why. It becomes warmer before it reaches the combustion chamber. And you might be wondering, why carry oxygen when there's plenty of oxygen in the atmosphere? Well, you see, oxygen is not available in space. It's a vacuum. It's a complete vacuum. And in vacuum, you can't just burn a fuel without any oxidizer. So, this is oxygen. Or, you can call it oxidizer. So yeah, that's the basic workings of a cryogenic engine. If you like the video, then like the video.